Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of the Rebuild series. Hope you guys are doing well today. Honestly, I did left you guys on a short term note last week, but honestly, I made some couple of good videos. But also, I got more content for you guys for this week, and it's gonna be really good. It's gonna be hopefully you will like the videos coming up this basically last week of September. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing, of course, you see here in the picture of the under the screen is the BMW M5. So of course it's been sprayed only in the roof. So mostly today as well, we started taping, taking the door handles off, taking the tail lamps off, the headlight as well, and other things as well that it's gonna get it away from painting the car. And mostly, of course, it's a lot of things. Of course, the BMW has a lot of things that will hide, or a bunch of things that will just make it a little bit more complicated for us. But honestly, we got the job done. That's all important. But honestly, today, pretty much not today, but tomorrow we're gonna get resprayed earlier in the morning. So probably when I get back to school, that's gonna get resprayed from my father. So probably gonna take a picture, maybe a video, should show you guys tomorrow. Honestly, I'm really confident it's gonna look really good as well. Just another photo. Oh wait, that's the wrong button. Another photo of this. Just the other side as well. Mostly you see a little bit shine. It looks really good when it was on the sun when it was first resprayed on that day last week. Little white pieces here and there as well. That's wax. That's a lot. The car had been pretty much pretty much buffered up, and there'll be like several waxes. Even the gasket on the trunk lid, when taking off the tail lamps, it had a lot of wax as well. So yeah, this thing been wax everywhere, and pretty much they just left the stains on, and it looks horrible for this car. But after that, let's just get right into it. This is the other parts we got. This is the CRV that I talked about. Unfortunately, I didn't take a picture of when it was finished. This is the time when it was getting painted, of course, the front bumper and as well as the hood. Mostly those the two primary things that was going to get painted as well. This is the day when it was preparing to get painted, and we'll get ready to get painted as well. So we're just laying off the plastic sheeting as well, the paper to get everything covered up pretty well. And so I think this is the last photo. This is the spoiler I'm talking about, the one that we had a lot of issues and a lot of times it's been plasticated in, and we had to put a bunch of layers of sanding everything and see if we could get perfect. And we sprayed it down with the primer as well, and make it really good. So I think this is gonna be really good. This is gonna be one set again and pretty much maybe resprayed with primer and get ready for paint as well, because this is gonna go with another car that we're gonna respray in the next couple of days. So mostly as well another respray job for a different car, not for the M5, but for a different type of vehicle. But that's pretty much it. This is pretty much what I have for today. I have more photos where are going to mostly be organized for next week's video. Well, not next week's video, but tomorrow's video as well, and as well as some update, and also showing pretty much the finishing of the M5. How will it look with the paint? Honestly, it's gonna look good. Of course, the one thing is, mostly we're gonna take the wheels off as well, because the owner wants them to paint them as well to be black. So we're gonna do that too. Paint the door handles off because they came off as well. So yeah, everything just getting ready and be prepped and pretty much getting this car, uh, be back to his owner this week. So it's gonna be kind of a hectic, but it's gonna be crazy. But also we got more things in the shop to show you guys tomorrow and this couple last days of September and the upcoming month of October. So I'm pretty excited. I'm really excited, and also very excited for you guys to see many more videos to come. But anywho, just want to leave you guys there. Hope you guys will have a good rest of your day, good rest of your night, or in the future, a good rest of your day if you're watching this video. So anywho, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.